Welcome to Fishy Fun Adventures. Dive into the deep blue sea and explore the magical underwater world with colorful fish. Get ready for an ocean of fun. Let's meet our fishy friends. Here comes Goldie, the sparkling goldfish who loves to play hide and seek among the coral. And there's Bubbles, the bubbly blue tang, always ready for an adventure. Today, Goldie and Bubbles are off on a big adventure. They're going to explore the hidden treasures of the ocean. What amazing discoveries will they make? As they swim deeper, they discover the Rainbow Reef, a magical place filled with the most beautiful fish they've ever seen. Each fish is a different color of the rainbow. Look, the jellyfish are having a dance party. Goldie and Bubbles join in the fun, twirling and swirling with the graceful jellyfish. Suddenly, they notice a mysterious glow in the distance. Curiosity leads them to a glowing cave, where they discover glowing sea creatures they've never seen before.